guys, namaste, I'm Itchya and welcome back to my channel, ting! So today I did this very simple traditional makeup look. If you like this look and you feel like you want to do this look, then definitely keep on watching. Oh, poklang, oh, poklang, oh, poklang. No, I'm done. So first I used the Body and Soul Vitamin C Serum. Now I'm going to use the Nutriderm Moisturizing Lotion with Vitamin E, which is great for all skin types. Just gonna do that and gently massage my entire face. Now I'm going to use the Note Illuminating Primer. So I'm going to gently massage this primer into my skin, making sure that it's like really massaged in so I have a really nice natural glow to my face. After that, I always like to warm up my fingers and kind of just like gently push my brows upward, kind of give it a nice lift. Now I'm going to start with my brows. Now I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hill Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eyebrows and I'm done. Now I'm going to start with my eyes. Since this is a very simple traditional look, let's do a very simple makeup. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and I'm just going to apply it right here and right here. Okay, now I'm going to take a flat concealer brush and kind of just apply the concealer and give my brows some shape right here and right here like so. Then I'm going to take the beauty sponge from L'Oreal Cosmetics and I'm just going to dab it on the areas where I've applied the concealer. Alright, so now I'm done shaping my brows. Now I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. So for the eyes, I'm using the Iconic palette from L'Oreal Cosmetics. This is super cute palette. It has a lot of brown tones and it has a really nice shimmer basis. So that's why I'm using this palette for a very traditional look. So I'm gonna first use the shade Epic, and this is a really nice medium brown tone. And I'm just gonna apply it right here on my eyelids like so. Now after I've applied that, I'm gonna take another shade, a lighter, really lighter brown shade called Rebel, and I'm just gonna go here on top of the other shade and just gonna blend it together like this. So you wanna make sure that this is very blended. So I'm just gonna take a flat packer brush, take the shade Epic again, and I'm just gonna place it right here on the lids like so. Just gonna take a little bit more of the same shade and just place it on the lids. I'm gonna take the blending brush and just blend out this edge right here. And there we have it. A very simple eye look with just two brown shades. And now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. All right, now I'm done with my eyeshadow. See how easy that was? Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. This is the Resball mascara. And I'm just gonna apply it. And today we're not going to use falsies because we are going for a very simple traditional makeup look. I mean, look how amazing this mascara is. It's so pretty. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom lashes. I'm going to take the Resball Kajal and just going to apply it on my waterline like so. Just like that, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to take the L'Oreal liner in the shade Shadow and I'm just going to give myself a small wing like so. On the other end. Now I'm using the Note foundation in the shade 03 and I'm just going to apply it all over like so. This is a really nice coverage foundation and this can be full coverage, but we're just gonna leave it at medium coverage today. I'm gonna take the Beauty Blender and just blend everything in place. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer right here. And just underneath my eyes right here like so, and a little bit of redness right here and right here. Now taking the same blender, I'm just gonna blend everything in place. Now I'm taking this cream contour from Pious and I'm just gonna apply it right here. This is the shade Almond. Now cream contour is really good if you want a very natural makeup. Time to blend. There we have it. Now the contour is set in place. Now I'm gonna use a cream blush. I'm using this peachy tone blush and I'm gonna apply it with my fingers right here and right here. And I'm gonna take that blender again and I'm gonna blend it all together like so. Whatever is left on the blender, I'm just gonna apply it like right here, just to give a sun-kissed look. And we're almost done. Now, before I complete my lips, I'm just gonna spray my face. Now, while that settles in, I'm gonna go ahead with my lips. I'm using this lip liner from Glam Bisque, and I'm just gonna start outlining my lips. Now, after I've applied the lip liner all over, I'm gonna take this lip gloss lipstick. I'm gonna take this lipstick in the shade 13 from Golden Rose, and I'm just gonna apply it. And I'm gonna use the lip liner to kind of make a little decal, like so. I'm gonna take a little bit of that lipstick and just gonna apply it on top right here, like so. And there we have it. Now the last step is the highlighter. Just gonna apply a little bit right here. On the nose, on the chin. And there we have it, we're done. Alright guys, we're done with this really simple traditional makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!